Naka-video kayo ngayon. Ito yung likod ng kwarto ko. Yan. This is the plans of Auntie.
Kunin mo pati yung sa taas, yung sa taas na nililinis.
Kapal lang snow. Very thick snow. And it's still snow. It's still snowing. This is my room. JJ's room. Ako na dyan, tita.
Sandali. Kasi yung hindi ko lang abuto. Basta mabawasan ito na lang.